Sunrisers Hyderabad will take on the Delhi Capitals in a must-win match at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. While Delhi are alive and kicking in the playoff race, SRH are on the blink of elimination. Delhi Capitals currently sit on the 5th position in the points table with 6 wins in 10 matches. A win here could take them into top 4. Skipper Akshar Patel has contributed consistently, while KL Rahul has led the batting with 371 runs in 9 matches. In contrast, Sunrisers Hyderabad have managed just 3 wins in 10 matches and sit 9th on the points table. They face a must-win scenario. Another loss here will officially end their playoff hopes. Abhishek Sharma has been the batting standout with 314 runs, while Harshal Patel leads their bowling effort with 13 wickets. Moving on to head-to-head record between these two teams. In 25 encounters so far, Sunrisers Hyderabad have managed 13 victories, while Delhi Capitals have 12 wins. It's been a neck-to-neck rivalry over the years, and another intense battle is expected. Moving on to pitch, venue and weather report. Temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius. Weather forecast is clear skies. Pitch behavior is batting friendly with bounce, best suited for the Pacers. Average first inning score here is 220 runs, and chasing record is 59% win rate. Now the predicted playing 11s of both the teams. Firstly, the Sunrisers Hyderabad. Travis Head and Abhishek Sharma opening the innings, having Ishan Kishan at number 3, Henrik Klaasen the wicketkeeper at number 4, Aniket Verma at number 5, Kamindo Mendes at number 6, Nitish Kumar Reddy at number 7, Pat Cummins the captain at number 8, Harshal Patel at number 9, Jaydev Unadkat at number 10, and Zishan Ansari at number 11. Now the Delhi Capitals. Abhishek Porel and Karun Nair opening the innings, having KL Rahul the wicketkeeper at number 3, Akshar Patel the captain at number 4, Tristan Stubbs at number 5, Ashutosh Sharma at number 6, Vipraj Nigam at number 7, Mitchell Stark at number 8, Dushmanta Chamera at number 9, Kuldeep Yadav at number 10, and Mukesh Kumar at number 11. Now the fantasy cricket insights for this match. Firstly, the captaincy picks. KL Rahul, 371 runs in 9 matches, consistent form and a strong anchor. Akshar Patel, all-round value both with bat and ball, especially useful in close matches. Now the top picks. Abhishek Sharma, aggressive top-order option with 314 runs in the season. Harshal Patel, 13 wickets in 9 matches, death over specialist. Now the budget picks. Tristan Stubbs, 218 runs and part-time bowling makes him a strong budget picks. Zishan Ansari, economical and deceptive with the ball. Now the Dream 11 teams for SRH DC match. Team 1, safe team for small leagues. Wicketkeepers are KL Rahul and Henrik Klaasen. Batsmen are Abhishek Sharma, Karun Nair and Travis Head. All-rounders are Akshar Patel, Tristan Stubbs and Kamindo Mendes. And the bowlers are Harshal Patel, Kuldeep Yadav and Zishan Ansari. This team will be led by KL Rahul as captain and Abhishek Sharma as vice-captain. Now the team 2, risky team for grand leagues. Wicketkeepers are KL Rahul and Henrik Klaasen. Batsmen are Travis Head, Abhishek Sharma and Ashutosh Sharma. All-rounders are Akshar Patel, Nitish Kumar Reddy and Tristan Stubbs. And the bowlers are Harshal Patel, Mitchell Stark and Zishan Ansari. This team will be led by Akshar Patel as captain and Travis Head as vice-captain. Now the players to avoid for this match. Aniket Verma hasn't made a notable fantasy impact so far. Vipraj Nigam, low involvement in high-impact moments. Now the expert advice before this match. Small league captaincy choice is KL Rahul. Grand league captaincy choice is Harshal Patel. Fun picks can be Zishan Ansari and Tristan Stubbs. And best fantasy combination for this match is 2 wicket keepers, 3 batsmen, 3 all-rounders and 3 bowlers. Now the final segment. Match winners prediction. Based on the form and balance, Delhi Capitals are favourites to win this match. Their all-round strength and momentum gives them a decisive edge in this contest, though SRH might come out swinging in a desperate attempt to stay alive. So stay tuned for more updates, match analysis and Dream 11 predictions only on your favourite channel, Cricket Addictor.